Meet Ms. Sarah and Mr. Bob. They both are working on the same project with their colleagues. But they are never quite sure which tasks the others are currently on and what progress they've made. This often causes misunderstandings or mistakes, and that needs to change. With stand-up meetings. The members of the cross-functional team are now joining forces. They meet daily at the same place the same time for a quick and focused mutual update on each member's progress. A moderator guides them through the meeting and keeps track of time. Everyone needs to be well prepared. They take turns in a row and have only 1 minute to get their colleagues up to date. Altogether, the meeting should not take any more than 15 minutes. In less than 60 seconds, Miss Sarah explains her previous day's accomplishments. What she'll be completing today, what issues need to be solved, and how her colleagues can help her reach her goal. The others listen without interrupting. If new topics come up, they are written down and proceeded with later. Mr. Bob has a suggestion for Ms. Sarah, but he keeps it to himself during the stand-up meeting. Only afterwards does he approach Ms. Sarah and make a suggestion. Thanks to the brief daily update at the meeting, they each know what the other one is currently working on and have better appreciation for each other. If they are working on similar topics, Ms. Sarah and Mr. Bob move near each other. This way they avoid superfluous work and can quickly share information. That team is excited. Thanks to stand-up meetings, everyone now updates each other regularly and always knows the latest progress on the project. When there are issues, they immediately receive help and can support each other proactively before mistakes happen. This saves them from long coordination threads by email or meetings that last hours. You and your team can also use stand-up meetings for successful communication.